Hey guys,
welcome.
welcome back to our YouTube
Channel. So, நாங்க வந்து every year we make a vision board. We made it
from last year. So we used to make vision boards. So இன்னைக்கு வந்து we are doing a vision board for 2026 and we are reviewing our previous year's vision boards, like whatever has happened. Honestly guys, this is such a good thing to do. You'll know why towards the end of this video.
And you can also watch last year's vision board. We'll attach the link.
The real. Okay. So we went and bought this board and we printed our pictures, some plain sheets and a few stationeries here. Let's get started guys.
So what we thought was, we aligned it in Canva and we took a printout. So we are just going to stick it.
So before that, if you also want to make a vision board, I'll tell you how to. First வந்து நீங்க professional, personal and mental in 3 sectors பிரிச்சுக்கோங்க. அதுக்கப்புறம் each one just like whatever, don't overthink the pictures, go if it suits whatever you have written, go put it on a create a board called Vision Board 2026 or whatever. Just go add your pictures there and you're good to go. Print all of them, make them into a collage, print them or stick it, or like do whatever. It's not really necessary that it has to be aesthetic or whatever. It's just your goals, your whatever you want to do in 2026.
Ultimately, after doing everything, it will look aesthetic. அப்புறம் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைக்கும், ஓ நம்மளோட aesthetic இப்படி தானா. We literally spent more than an hour to find these pictures and put it in a separate folder. We took a lot of time for it. So yeah.
And now since we had to like cut it out and paste it, சிலர் வந்து இந்த பக்கம் பண்ண சிலர் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டா வச்சா. It's fine, we'll just like put both of these pictures here and stick it like this. Before that, let's see our previous years. Show them.
This is our mine previous year's vision board. Rachel, she lost it, right? She kept it somewhere and she forgot. So என்னோட vision board இப்படி தான் இருந்துச்சு last year. So the most good part about this board is most of the thing came true. Yeah, came true. And for example, here I've stuck 1K's picture on YouTube. So 1K million people subscribers we are very
guys. It was like even in my vision board, I'll just put the pictures for you Inga, because until another board, trust me, I have this 1K picture, like very prominent 1K picture. Ana December 20th we were like in some board 500 subscribers.
After literally we were discussing when the December came, we were like, oh, நம்ம 1K picture நம்ம vision board la பண்ணோம், we don't think so it's possible and all. But now it's December 27th and we have 1.4K. We are very thankful and grateful for it.
That's why guys, trust your vision board blindly. எதனா பண்ணி எதனா ஆயிடும். So just go do one right now. This is your sign to make your vision board. So let's just stick it.
Even though நாங்க வந்து vision board last year தான் start பண்ணோம், but still we used to make a resolution every year, like on a note, right?
Yeah.
In phone we used to make it. It's such a good thing to do. And also whenever you want to take some printout, please don't prefer blanket, because they don't give the pictures in good clarity. I mean good print.
Honestly, எல்லா இடத்துலயும் அப்படிதான். You need to opt for that glossy sheet if you want.
Stationery la pona they give you pictures in high resolution. I feel prefer stationery.
And one more thing, நீங்க vision board பண்ணும்போது please don't think like it's unbelievable, நான் இது போட மாட்டேன் அப்படிலாம் please don't think guys. Because even if it didn't happen, it's fine, but just put it in your vision board. It kind of works like manifestation.
Yeah.
நம்ம அதை நினைச்சு manifest பண்ணி it'll just come true. So just blindly whatever you want, put it on your board.
And also vision board இப்படிதான் இருக்கணும் அப்படிதான் இருக்கணும், there's no rules. However you want it, you can make it. உங்களுக்கு உங்களோட vision board டெக்கார் பண்ணணுமா இல்ல எழுதி போடணுமா, it's your
end of the day, it's your board.
Yeah.
This year I think it became very very quick. Last year எவ்வளோ நேரம் பண்ணிருந்தோம்.
லாஸ்ட் இயர் ரொம்ப நேரம் லாஸ்ட் இயர் வந்து நாங்க பிக்சர் சீக்கிரமா பண்ணிட்டோம், ஆனா அது வந்து செட் பண்றதுக்கு ரொம்ப டைம் ஆச்சு. இந்த இயர் வந்து பிக்சர் ஃபைன் பண்ண ரொம்ப டைம் ஆச்சு, ஆனா நாங்க செட்
because we were more specific after like last year whatever came through. We were like, oh my god, we should do this properly. Done guys, done. This is my board. We'll just like write the heading.
Think I'll write it later.
We successfully celebrated our Christmas.
Yeah, it was so much fun.
It was very fun.
It was very fun that we just lived the moment and we didn't vlog it.
We couldn't vlog
We
it.
couldn't vlog it because we were with our family and cousins. It was so fun.
We'll try vlogging on New Year though. We'll just try.
Okay, apart from that 1K thing, the things which have come true was now one thing, I don't know if you can see, I've put up a sticker here saying you are hired, and yes, I got placed last year. I mean this year.
Congratulations.
I got placed this year. Then I've put a cricket stadium. எனக்கு வந்து ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் ஸ்டேடியம்ல போய் கிரிக்கெட் பார்க்கிறதுக்கு. So I had a wish to go there. So அதுவும் and it came true. There are many things. Confidence, yeah, I feel I'm more confident than last year.
You read a lot of books.
Read more books. I've read a lot of books.
There are a few things that didn't come true. Tell that also.
Which didn't come true was... Okay, I put a picture here like hugging Jesus, but I hardly went to church on Sunday, which I regret. I hope I'll do that next year.
We'll do that next year. Whatever doesn't happen, we'll do that next year. Not an issue.
And one more thing, stop procrastination.
You do. That I will agree.
Yeah,
You do.
I do.
She'll call me one day. I'm leaving and I'll be waiting. She'll never come.
Clear skin, shiny hair, healthy mind.
Actually, one mistake that she did last year was she did a lot of quotes then like pictures.
Yeah.
That's why I'm not able to prominently show. So we'll give you a picture here. That is my vision board. So idla pathina nariya came true. I'll show you each one. 1K done. I already explained that. And this picture was there. And I got my DL. That was today actually. I went and collected my DL successfully. A+. All my marks card. Okay, wait, you know what? I'll show you the reference picture also here. Whatever came true, I have that picture also. Marks card, I almost got A+ and everything. Good job. Apro, this thing, for some reason I had this. In my mind, it was because like sleepover. Sleepover happened on Christmas. That it was us three. Yeah, almost like the same picture.
Yeah, same kind of picture.
With lights in the background.
Well,
And the hair. Crazy.
it just happened 2 days ago.
Okay, but I also had like a reference picture for this. Yana, I also have 2 other friends with me whom I got this year. I cooked a lot.
You can watch that in our shorts.
I'll put that link here. I joined a dance class.
That also you can watch it in shorts.
Like I have this picture, I've added here. And for some reason, I did the same kind of bottle one day. Like I
without knowing
it was on my
yeah.
vision board. I just like opened my vision. I'm like, oh my god, I have this picture in it. This also came true. Like I almost got like the same kind of friends, which has like 3 girls and 2 boys. Almost the same thing. Okay, now we'll come to the thing that didn't happen. Why is the same for both of us?
It's like same for both of us. We thought we'll become a holy child, we'll go to church like regularly, but which didn't happen. Why? My question is why?
This picture which did happen, and I literally didn't go jogging or running.
Yeah, I think you went for
That
few
was last to last day. Obviously, I didn't work out. Obviously, I don't have clear skin.
Yeah.
And then I had another picture, I'll put it later, which is eat healthy, and I did eat healthy little bit.
Even I eat healthy, but then some days I eat lot of junk for which
That's
I regret.
okay, that's
But
okay.
yeah, this year I want myself to be disciplined about whatever I think. Yeah, so I've put eating clean.
This year should we show it now? We'll show it the next year. I mean, you can have a look, but meanings will give you the next year. This is my vision board.
This is mine.
That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.
And let us know if you have any ideas so that we can make such content
Please do make vision boards, guys.
before this year ends. Bye.
Bye-bye.